In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear sway bar link on your Toyota Highlander. The process for the left is the same as the right. We're going to remove the nut off the top of the sway bar link. I'm going to put a pair of pliers on the back of this to hold it. The inside does have an Allen key that you can hold and then take off the nut with, but ours is too rusted and it won't hold. Using a pair of locking pliers, I'm going to grab the back and clamp down on it. Using a 17mm, we're going to remove the top nut. I'm going to remove the two 14mm nuts that are holding the sway bar bracket into the control arm. Pull the sway bar link out of the sway bar and remove the bracket assembly and sway bar from the control arm. I'm going to put the sway bar bracket in a vise, clamp it down. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to put a pair of locking pliers on the back. Clamp them down. And remove the 17mm nut off of the sway bar link. Remove the sway bar link from the sway bar bracket. Install the new link into the bracket. Start the nut by hand. Using an 18mm wrench, we're going to twist it down. Using an H5 bit, I'm going to hold the center shaft while tightening it down with an 18mm wrench. Torque the sway bar link bolt to 60 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. When you're torquing it, you want to make sure that the sway bar on the backside is not moving. Take it out of the vise, and it's ready to go back on the car. Install the sway bar bracket and link into the control arm. I'm going to put the bottom nuts on. I'm not going to tighten them down yet though. Install the top part of the link and start your nut. Tighten the two bottom nuts. Torque those to 66 foot-pounds. Using an H5 bit, I'm going to hold the center stud while I twist the nut using an 18mm. We're going to torque the sway bar nut to 60 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.